Today we will learn about the lesson the royal parade. What do you mean by royal? Royal means a very high status, that is status of king. Parade means a public procession, especially one celebrating a special day or an event. First, we will learn about what is a parrot. Then you will get introduced to the characters in the story. Later, we will read chapter line by line. And finally, we will learn new words and meanings. What do we know about this parade? This parade is the Mysore Dasara parade, which lasts for 10 days. It is the state festival of Karnataka. It celebrates the victory of good over evil. The city of Mysore has a long tradition of celebrating the festival of Dasara through this parade with a lot of enthusiasm and has celebrated its 409th parade in 2019. These are the actual pictures taken in Mysore Dasara parade. And coming to a chapter, this chapter is set in the year 1638, that is 17th century, about a young girl named Jaya and her pet elephant Deva. It shows how Deva made Jaya's dream come true to go to Mysore parade through an accident. Observe the picture. Who are the people in this painting? The people in the painting are royal soldiers holding flags, common people who have come to watch the parade and be a part of the procession. What do you think so these people are celebrating? These people are celebrating a royal victory or a festival. You can see horses and elephants. Elephants and horses are animals taking part in the elephant. Elephants show Elephants are part of this parade because they show strength and courage. Horses are used for speed, efficiency, and reliability because they were heavily relied upon during wars. The people are perhaps headed towards the heart of the city or village or town. Coming to the characters in the story, there's a little girl called Jaya, the elephant calf Deva, and the princess. Now let's start reading this chapter. One day in the late summer of 1638, that is 17th century, the sun was rising over the thick forest. Thick means full of densely grown trees in Nagarhole. Nagarhole is a place where this story happened, and right now it is converted to a national park. Jaya bathed and filled her pot from Kabani river. As she walked home in her wet pavadai satti, a skirt and a blouse, a typical dress worn by South Indian little girls. She called out to Deva cheerfully. Cheerfully means very happily. Deva, the elephant calf, hopped out of the thicket. Hopped means move by jumping on one foot. Thicket means a dense group of trees or bushes. So the elephant calf suddenly came out of the bushes. On other days, Jaya and Deva would play in the river, splashing about and spraying water at each other. So every day they would go to the river to bring water, and they would play for some time, splashing water in a playful way. But today Jaya gently held Deva's trunk and said, Deva, today Appa might return from Mysore. I am going to run home. So she wanted to go home early because she is expecting her dad, that is Appa, from Mysore. Jaya's father was the chief of the biggest tribe in Nagarhole. Tribe is nothing but a community, that is a group of people with common culture and a leader, and they generally live near the forest. The king of Mysore has sent his guards to forest to summon him. Summon means officially call someone to be present in the royal court. The king wanted advice on herbal medicines. What are herbal medicines? Medicines made from plants and herbs. Since they live near the forest, they make these herbal medicines. Jaya's father had taken special herbs and honey to the royal court a week ago. I'll bring you some Mysore Pak. Pak is a typical sweet made in South Indian homes. So the word Mysore came from this place because that is a famous sweet in that particular place, that is Mysore. Jaya hoped her father had remembered to keep his promise about the sweet. Deva trumpeted. Trumpeted means it's a typical sound made by the elephant. Happily as he saw his little friend hurrying home, balancing the pots on her head. When Jaya neared her home, she saw people crowding there, so she expected that her father might have come back from Mysore. Ah, Appa is already home, she said. She poured the water from the pots into the clean trough. Trough you can see on the right side of the page. It is a open container from which animals can eat or drink. In the cowshed and ran into the hut. The cows moved and walked to the fresh water. Moved is past tense of move, the sound made by the cattle. The other animals that come under cattle are bulls and oxen. And other examples are cats. Other examples for animal sounds are cats mew and camels grunt. Jaya's father lifted her up and seated her on his lap with a big smile. He was telling the people from his tribe about Mysuru, the new king there, the magnificent palace. Magnificent means extremely beautiful. A throne made of pure gold. What do you mean by throne? Throne is a chair beautifully decorated where the king sits. The wide roads, the crowded markets where everything was available, and the huge temples. He said that the city was getting ready for a big festival called Dasara. He said during the festival, the king himself leads a grand parade of royal deities, noble families, that is, high status families, military officers, soldiers, dancers, camels, horses, and elephants. The people listened in wonder as they sucked at their Mysore Pak. People here are from his tribe. Wonder means desire to know something. Please take me to Mysuru, Appa, she said. It's very far, daughter. Your legs are too small for the long journey. He was trying to convince her that she's too little for such long journey. This year I'll take your brother for Dasra, said her father, patting her head affectionately. That is, patting means gently striking her head. Jaya jumped out of his lap and darted into the forest. What do you mean by darted? Ran quickly in a particular direction. Deva snorted. Snorted means sounds made when somebody is very excited or frightened. Deva snorted joyfully on seeing his best friend again. Jaya ran to him and buried her face in his trunk, sobbing. Here, buried means she hides her face. Sobbing means noisy crying. I can walk too, Deva, you know that, but Appa will only take my brother to Mysuru. I too want to see the Dasara parade. Deva wrapped his trunk around Jaya and lifted her. Placing her gently on his back, he began to run towards the open field. Jaya knew this was not safe for Deva. Stop, Deva, she yelled, that she screamed at him. But Deva burst out of the trees, that is, he suddenly came out of the trees and ran across the open field. Jaya was shocked to see that the field was teeming. Teeming means it is full of people, with people and elephants. Deva, turn back, Jaya pulled his ears. But Deva was in no mood to listen. He was hurrying to some place. He was not at all interested to listen to Jaya. He finally stopped in front of a chariot. What do you mean by chariot? Chariot means an open carriage that was used for transport in the olden times. It's an open two-wheel vehicle drawn by horses. This is a very majestic elephant calf. Majestic means very grand looking calf, said a finely dressed young woman. Initially, when I introduced the characters, I told a princess is one of the character. So here the finely dressed young woman is the princess in the chariot. Chariot is nothing but open two-wheel vehicle drawn by horses. Jaya soon learned that people had come from the Mysore palace to select elephants for Jambu Safari. Jambu Safari is the elephant parade at the Dasara. Turn back, Deva, Jaya fearfully shouted into Deva's large ears. Deva shook his head. He took one step forward. Little miss, said the woman in a happy voice to Jaya. Can you, Deva, come for the royal parade? So the princess was requesting Jaya, can Deva come for the royal parade, that is for the Jambu Safari, the elephant parade at the Dashra festival during in Mysore. Jaya was very scared for Deva. No, she shouted boldly. He belongs here in the forest. She thinks that once if they take the Deva to Mysore Dasara parade, he may not be sent back again to the forest. And she doesn't want Deva to stay in the city. She wants to Deva to enjoy and live with her near the forest. Of course, he will return to the forest after parade. I promise. I promise means, she said, don't worry, he will not be harmed. The woman's voice was reassuring. That is, she removed all the fears and doubts from Jaya's brain. Jaya felt Deva was in safe hands, so now she felt assured that Deva will not be harmed at all. Also, she was proud for her Deva. But Deva won't have any friend in Mysuru, said Jaya after some thought. She thought that Deva would become all alone in that new place. Then the princess replied, surely he will have you. I can see how close you both are. In fact, you can teach him the royal march. That is how to move and walk in the parade. Me, wondered little Jaya. Yes, why don't you bring someone along? You are too young to take care of yourself, smiled the woman. The young woman asked her to bring someone along as Jaya is too young. Can I bring three someones? Asked Jaya playfully. Definitely, and tell them they are the guests of the king of Mysuru. That's how Jaya went to see the lights and fireworks of great Dasara festival in Mysuru with her brother and parents. The graceful dancers, it is very stylish and elegant, the smart soldiers, the brilliant band and brightly decorated elephants, camels and horses were all very fascinating. Fascinating means very, very attractive and very interesting. But Deva was the most elegant of all. He looked most stylish among all other elephants in the Jambu Safari. And it was for Deva and that Jaya and her brother cheered the loudest. Cheered means happily, very happy, merry, and joyful. Cheerful, happy. Hop, move by jumping on one foot. Magnificent, extremely beautiful. Pat, touch gently. Sobbing, noisy crying. yelled, shout. Chariot, two-wheeled vehicle drawn by horses. Wonder, desire to know something. Graceful, elegant. Brilliant, talented. Decorated, make something look even more attractive. Splashing, sound made when something is hit in water. Cheerfully, splashing, herbal medicines. Remembered, magnificent. Throne, deities, majestic. Wondered, parade.